Can I get Apple TV on Android? Apple TV is available on Android devices, but with some limitations. While there is no dedicated Apple TV app for Android smartphones and tablets, users can still access Apple TV content through a web browser. 1. No Apple TV app for Android phones and tablets. Apple has not released an official Apple TV app for Android mobile devices. This means that Android users cannot download a native app from the Google Play Store. 2. Accessing Apple TV via web browser. Android users can watch Apple TV content by visiting the Apple TV website in a mobile browser like Google Chrome or Firefox. The website allows users to sign in and stream Apple TV plus shows and movies. 3. Apple TV app on Android TV and streaming devices. Apple has made the Apple TV app available on select Android-based smart TVs and streaming devices like Google TV, Fire TV, and Roku. Users can download the Apple TV app from the Google Play Store on these devices. 4. How to watch Apple TV on Android. Step 1. Open a web browser on your Android device. Step 2. Go to tv.apple.com. Step 3. Sign in with your Apple ID. Step 4. Browse and play Apple TV Plus content or purchase movies. 5. Limitations of using Apple TV on Android. Since there is no official app for Android phones and tablets, users cannot download content for offline viewing or use advanced app features. Streaming must be done through a web browser. 6. Apple TV subscription requirements. To watch Apple TV Plus content, users need an Apple TV Plus subscription. However, users who have purchased movies or TV shows through Apple can still watch them without an active subscription. 7. Alternative ways to watch on Android. For a better viewing experience, Android users can cast Apple TV content to Chromecast-compatible TVs or use a smart TV with the Apple TV app installed. Apple TV is not available as a dedicated app for Android phones and tablets, but users can stream content via a web browser. Those with Android-based smart TVs can download the Apple TV app from the Google Play Store.